Rapid urbanization has been putting immense pressure on living conditions in metropolitan areas and raising concerns among their residents. Parking issues, rising congestion, and traffic jam and air pollution are being exacerbated by the demands of ever-swelling megacities. Improving the quality of life calls for contemporary technological solutions and data collection and analysis methods, open data, open services, and open innovations. WeLive is a new concept of open data mobile technology-based development, which aims at bringing together its key stakeholders, municipal services, small and mid-sized businesses, and the citizens, making it the We government ecosystem of Novi Sad, created for their benefit to improve their quality of life. One such world-changing open data mobile and web application is Relocation Advisor, which takes a whole new, innovative approach to moving houses and providing relocation assistance. The application provides a range of relevant data from real-time broadcasting air quality information, finding and navigating city parks, medical and healthcare facilities, daycare and educational institutions, to shopping malls and supermarkets, available parking lots and garages, to public transportation solutions and traffic information services for navigating the city in comfort. What could be more convenient than having all this information on your smart devices? Turn your needs into invention ideas and workable products of the future. Become part of the WeLive team that sees the world as an open place for applying global solutions to local environments.